Lock sleeve is A.I.M Tech's original method for connecting pipes. Traditional welded piping requires high heat work, posing risks of toxic gas leaks and fire. A.I.M Tech's weld-free lock sleeve prevents fire, allows fast and easy installation, and avoids pipe deformation. These capabilities stem from in-house production and strict quality control. Our precision-crafted products and heat and pressure sintering process deliver fewer defects and faster production than traditional machining. It connects different metals like aluminum, copper, and steel, adapting easily to diverse environments. Fastening the lock sleeve is simple. A sleeve slides over the inner pipe, and the lock seal fills any tiny grooves or scratches on the surface. Lastly, with a dedicated connection tool, the sleeve is now secured firmly and stably.